Hello everybody, today I'm going to tell you how to make thumbnails for YouTube. So what app I'm using is Picsart. It's widely known as a photo editing app. So yeah, I'll show you how to do it in this video. So I've got a photo here of volcano because I'll be making it for my new video. So what you want to do is go on effects. If you want to make a thumbnail, that's how I do it. I click blur. Now you can change the blur to what you want, but I want it to be bright and vibrant, so give it a little bit of a kick of that. No, nah, it's a little too low. About there, that's good enough. So now you've done that, you can do this any photo. You can go into cutout, anything, sticker I usually do, and I get the Minecraft logo. So what I do up here is click Minecraft. And there we go, logo. Put that up there. Click done. We're done with that. So the next thing I'm going to do is get a picture of volcano, which I already searched up. I'm not going to use anyone's like the other pictures. Like I'll use this. I'm going to have that going up like that. So, because I don't have a plan for this, I go back into stickers, go into this, can enlarge it. So, like that. That will do for now. So next thing is text. I just go into here, type what I want. This. Go into this. I want a gradient, so do this. To So, right, now I could do shadow, put that all the way up, maybe put a blend on it, depends how it looks. No, it's alright. Let's have a look at that, let's move over a bit. And that's it. So that's it, what I'm doing. But yeah, thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please click the like. All you have to do now is click gallery, anything like that. You click done, and you're finished. So that's probably going to be this video. So here's the one I did earlier, but it doesn't fit in the thumbnail, so I had to redo it. But this is what I wanted it to look like. But yeah. So that's going to be it for this video. If you enjoyed, please click the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.